You're going to love this creamy chicken salad, which is packed with fresh grapes and crunchy veggies. Hi, you're watching Plating It at Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. This easy salad is a great on-the-spot or make-ahead meal, so now let's get started. In this recipe, we're going to be using 1 cup of pecans for that extra crunch, and we're going to lightly toast them for about 4 to 5 minutes. You could even toast the pecans in a skillet on the stovetop. Now we're going to give the nuts a very rough chop. When adding nuts to a salad or to cookies, I always like toasting them because that helps to bring out the flavor of the nuts. Now let's put the chopped nuts into a bowl and allow them to cool till we prepare the other ingredients. For this recipe, I prepared the roasted chicken at home, and I'm going to be using 750 grams of roasted chicken breast. You can find the recipe above. Let's remove the skin of the chicken. Let's cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. I always like to use either cold chicken or room temperature chicken when cutting it because that helps you get a neater cut. You could even boil the chicken or poach the chicken, but I prefer roasting the chicken because it gives it more flavor. Now let's transfer this to a bowl. For that classic chicken salad crunch, we're going to add some celery. We'll add about 3 sticks of them, and we're going to cut them into bite-sized small pieces. And so I'm going to cut each stick into about 3 pieces lengthwise. And now we're going to chop them up. Now let's add this to the bowl. To the salad, we're going to add 4 stalks of green onion or scallions, and I'm going to chop them up very finely. This gives the salad a nice fresh flavor. We're going to chop it down to the bottom and add some of the white onion in the salad too. We'll add this to the chicken and celery. Every chicken salad needs some herbs in it to give it that nice fresh flavor. We're going to add a few stalks of parsley. Let's cut this up fine. Now let's add this to the bowl. Let's add an herb that pairs perfectly with chicken, tarragon. Just a small bunch. We're just going to give it a fine chop. Tarragon and chicken are like a match made in heaven. If you can get your hands on tarragon, this is a herb you don't want to skip when preparing your chicken salad. And let's toss it in with the rest. The best chicken salads always have grapes in them, and ours is the best. So we're going to be adding 2 cups of red grapes. You could even use green grapes, but I prefer using the red ones for the pop of color. We're going to cut the grapes now into halves. I'm using a serrated knife to cut it. I find that the serrated knife is the best because it gives it a nice clean cut. If the grapes are bigger, you could even cut it into quarters. And now let's add the grapes to the party. In my house, we love bacon, so I fried up 2 strips of bacon, and I'm going to chop it up fine and add it to the salad. This gives an amazing flavor to the salad. Now let's add the bacon to the bowl. We're going to add the cool pecans to the mixing bowl as well. Let's prepare the dressing for our salad. In a separate bowl, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of mayo. For a little kick to the salad dressing, we're going to add half a tablespoon of Dijon Mustard. For a nice unique flavor to our dressing, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to add the juice of half a lemon, and this is going to give a nice tang to the dressing. Now let's season this up with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Give this a good whisk so that all the flavors get a chance to blend together well. This is going to give our salad that lovely, incredible taste and make it nice and creamy. Now let's add our dressing to the salad. Now let's give the salad a good mix. This salad actually can also be made with all the leftover turkey after Thanksgiving, and you can substitute the grapes with cranberries at that time. Wow, this is going to be delicious. When plating the chicken salad, I always like to dress up the bowl with some curly green salad leaf. Just putting a few around. And now let's spoon our chicken salad into the bowl. These leaves give such a nice pop of color to the salad when we set it at the table. This is an excellent way of serving up the salad, but if you want to do an individual serve, I put some spring mix at the bottom of a little salad bowl, and now we're going to put in some of the salad into it. And here we plated a delicious individual serve of the salad. This salad is so versatile that if you're looking for a gluten-free, low-carb way of serving the salad, the romaine lettuce boots is the way to go. Now we're going to pick this up and enjoy it. And who doesn't love a creamy chicken salad in a crispy croissant? Let's slice the croissant and fill it with the salad. This is an excellent idea to serve up the chicken salad if you want to serve it for brunch. I'm so excited. This is the moment I always wait for. Let's give this a taste. I'm going to go with the salad bowl. Getting in some chicken, some pecans, the grapes. Well, I've even got a celery. Wow, this chicken salad, it's incredible. And the roast chicken, it's so packed with flavor. And the celery, the pecans, the bacon, and the grapes all give the salad such a variety of texture and flavor. And the salad dressing just brings it all together. I'm telling you, you definitely want to give this salad a try. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And if you hit on the bell icon, you'll get a notification every time I upload new videos. If you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me your comments below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The information is in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.